next level slayer.
This is your girl, Crystal Lauren, the Next Level Slayer, and this is my channel where I bring you strategies, opportunities, and ideas to take your business, your money, and your mindset to the next level. If you're ready to go to the next level, this is an episode you don't want to miss. Stay tuned. Hello, and welcome to another episode of Next Level Slayer. I am your host, Crystal Lauren, and in this episode, I am designing a necklace. And I've already prepared my design on this board. I'm going to be using, I'm actually going to be using this probably to add some embellishment to this. I also use this 16 gauge wire to make this little charm here. I will do a demonstration of how I made this in a different video, so we'll make sure you subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you can check that video out when I do it, because I'm going to do it on a different bead and different color wire. So let's get into it. So I am going to start threading my wire now. I'm not going to need all of this wire here, but I don't like cutting my wire until it's time to finish it. Okay, so I'm just going to be threading this here. So watch me while I do that.